In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check calling reports in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main screen where you can see the left sidebar. This sidebar is where you will move between different parts of the CRM, including your contacts and communication history. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the Contacts module. This will open your contact list, where you can browse or search for the person or company record you want to review. If you have a lot of contacts, use the List View tools to quickly locate the right record. The key here is that calling reports are tied to a specific contact record, so you need to open the exact contact you want to check. Once you find the correct contact, select that specific record. This takes you to the Details page for that contact. On this page, you will typically see the contact's information, recent activity, and other related details. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right record, especially if there are contacts with similar names. Next, look to the left side of the Details page. You will notice there is a sidebar area that can show additional functions. Hover your cursor on the left sidebar to expand it. This is an important step because some options may be hidden until the sidebar is expanded, and you may not see the communication tools right away. With the sidebar expanded, choose Conversations. Conversations is the section where Freshsales organizes communication history like calls and other interactions. After you click Conversations, find and click Call Logs. This opens the calling history for that contact, where you can review the calls that have been logged. In Call Logs, you will be able to check the records of calls connected to that contact. Use this view to verify when calls happened and to review what has been captured in the log. If you are auditing activity, it helps to scan for the most recent entries first, and then work backward as needed. That covers everything you need to know.